Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders, and this is day 23 of the 2022 Advent Calendar unboxing for Spellbinders. We are going to find box number 23. There's only 2 days left here, and I know that Christmas is almost upon us. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and I hope you have all of your presents wrapped under your tree, your stockings ready to be stuffed, and your Christmas cards in the mail. That is my Christmas wish to you. Do I have any of that done? Probably not. And what do we have today? We have a die and shadow die coordinating die set that says thank you. This is perfect for all of the thank you cards that you're going to send after all the gifts that you receive for Christmas. Because we do that, right? See you tomorrow. Bye.